Hello friends, in this problem a triangle is given and this triangle is PQR, and on side PR there is a point S such that distance PS is equals to distance SR. So, this is given in the problem, and we have been also given that angle PSQ equals to 45 degree. So, that is PSQ, that is this angle is 45 degree. Now, this angle is theta and this angle is theta. We have to find the value of theta. So, how will you solve this problem? I will use sine rule to solve this problem, but before that we need to find various angles. What will be the value of this angle? This angle is 45 degree and we know that on any line sum of angles equals to 180 degree. This means this plus this angle, that is this angle, is equals to 180 degree. If this is 45, then this angle will be 180 minus 45, that is 135 degree. So, this is here angle QSR, that is QSR, this angle will be 135 degree. What will be this angle? That is QRS. Now, this angle is 135 and this is theta. So, this plus this is 135 plus theta. So, this will be 180 minus 135 plus theta, because this is a triangle and sum of this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degree. So, now I can say QRS equals to 180 minus 135 plus theta, which is basically 45 minus theta. So, this angle is 45 minus theta. What about this angle? This angle will be 180 minus 45 plus theta, because this is again a triangle and sum of this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be 180. So, this angle will be 180 minus theta plus 45. So, we can say PQS, that is this angle, equals to 180 minus 45 plus theta, which is 135 minus theta. Now, I will use sine rule. If you remember, in any triangle which has a side of a small a, small b, a small c, so these are the side lengths and these are the angles capital A, capital B, capital C, then we have a relationship, that is A by sin A equals to B by sin B equals to C by sin C. So, now I will use this identity. Now, I will use this for this triangle and for this triangle. Why we are using this? Because in this triangle this is common in both the triangles and this length in triangle PQS is same as this length in triangle SQR, and that is why we will consider these two triangles, so that we can get the ratio of this and this from one, and similarly this and this from other, and these two ratio will be equal. So, let us try to see. So, if I see triangle QSR, I can apply sine rule. So, I can write QS, that is this length, divided by opposite angle, that is sine of 45 minus theta. So, sine of 45 minus theta. This is equals to SR divided by sine of opposite angle, that is sine theta. So, SR divided by sine theta. Now, we can cross multiply. So, this becomes QS by SR, and there I will have sine 45 minus theta by sine theta. So, this is equation 1. If you see in this equation, basically there are three unknowns, theta, QS and SR. So, we need to have three equations to solve these unknowns, but basically we will consider this as one unknown, that is QS by SR. In that case we will need only two equations. So, somehow we will calculate QS by SR from the second equation and then we can equate. So, let us apply sine rule in triangle PQS. So, if you consider PQS or QPS, we can write QS divided by sine theta. So, this is here, and this is equals to PS divided by sine 135 minus theta. And we know that PS, this length is equals to this length, this means PS is equals to SR. So, I can plug it here. So, PS equals to SR. So, now I can cross multiply, then I will have QS divided by SR, and this is equals to sine theta divided by sine 135 minus theta. So, this is my second equation. Now, in the first equation I have QS by SR, in the second equation I have QS by SR. So, now using these two equations I can solve for theta. Basically, left hand side in both cases are same, this means this is equals to this. So, I can equate the right hand side. So, if I equate the right hand side, I can write this term, this is this term, and this one is this term. Now, sine 135 minus theta, I can also write this sine 180 minus 45 plus theta, but sine of pi minus alpha equals to sine alpha. So, this will be simply sine alpha, and in case of alpha I have 45 plus theta. So, sine 45 plus theta. Now, I can cross multiply. So, this side I will have sine 45 minus theta times sine 45 plus theta, and this side I will have sine square theta. Now, I will expand this. So, if you remember, sine A minus B is basically sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, I can expand this. So, this is sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, in this case A is 45 degree and B is theta. So, this will be sine 45, which is equals to 1 by root 2 times cos B. So, cos theta minus cos A, that is cos 45 1 by root 2 times sin B, that is sin theta. Similarly, sin 45 plus theta will be same, that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Only difference I will have, in place of minus I will have plus. So, this is sin A, that is sin 45 is 1 by root 2 times cos B, that is B is theta. So, cos theta plus cos A, that is cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin B, that is sin theta, and this is equals to sin square theta. Now, I can take 1 by root 2 common. From here I can take 1 by root 2 common, and from here I can also take 1 by root 2 common. So, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, this becomes 1 by 2, and then I have cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, that is A minus B into A plus B, that is nothing but A square minus B square. So, cos square minus sin square theta. I can cross multiply to this side. So, this will become cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to 2 sin square theta. Now, you can take sin square theta this side. So, this becomes 3 sin square theta equals to cos square theta. Now, I can divide cos square theta, and this 3 goes this side. So, tan square theta equals to 1 by 3. This means tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. So, we are neglecting the negative root because angle cannot be negative. So, tan theta is 1 by root 2. So, for which theta tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. So, this belongs to theta equals to 30 degree. So, in this case this angle is 30 degree and this angle is also equal to 30 degree. So, I hope you like this trigonometry approach to solve this geometrical problem, and if you like my videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.